White ones, for the most part, are all of the meat birds. They were bred and developed to put on weight faster.
Okay.
And to be a bit bigger, heavier
Little
breed.
ones are good.
So I have one or two whites that are actually egg layers.
Okay.
And then the browns, the majority of the browns are Rhode Island Reds, which are a brown egg layer.
These are they're little guys.
Rhode Island Red.
Do they get? Is this full size?
No, I picked them up as like 5-day-old chickens in maybe February.
Okay.
I'm not as good at.
How long do they take to mature?
22 weeks before beginning to lay eggs.
Okay.
Some I think are quicker, but I think once these start laying, they're more consistent and year-round might be better. Oh, stop! Now the crazy thing is, stop it, stop it, stop it.